that went pretty good. Not bad. That went relatively quick. Now, this Never Dull, I don't know if you've ever used it or not. They kind of weakened up on it a little bit. They used to have more wax or whatever it is in there. And it had a little bit stronger smell, but yet pleasant. But if it's not dirty, like that's dirty. But if you just put it on something just to bring it out, so to speak, and it doesn't have a lot of dirt on it, and this comes out clean still, just stick it back in, and it'll still absorb, you know, from the other stuff, and it'll still work. You really don't want to put it in there though if it's dirty. Okay, so that takes care of that. Now, I forgot about these little Charmin cheapers up here. I have one of these that I can sneak into the house. Oh, I got all these HTs up here. Oh, that's something else I got to try. Yeah, I'm glad I reminded myself. There's another one of those over there. That's the one I think I'm going to put in the house. I can squeeze that into the living room underneath one of the coffee tables or end tables. So if I do get a call, it'll come through my ear set. So nobody will be disturbed by it. And on Thursdays, I won't have to come out here and turn this on at 8 o'clock at night. I can just do it right from the house. And the wife doesn't care too much as long as I don't have wires strung all over the place and radios going and everything else happening. Alright, let's turn this back on for a minute. I gotta get these lights hooked up. I may just stay right here and do a lot of this today. Nice and easy. Let me turn on my unit again. Oh, it's still going. Okay, well, let me turn it off now that I have it on, or out. And I'll turn it back on again. And I'll set it for 20 minutes. Okay. I'm telling you, it helps. It really does. This is a Dr. Ho. At the time, it was the only thing around. I don't know. There's cheaper ones out there now. They're like, this is a 2-channel. They have like 4-channel, 6-channel. You know, for $39, $49. This was like $150. I don't know if those are going to work the same or not. But for the price, you can try it and see what happens. If you have a problem with back, knees, or whatever, because it does help. You know, what it does is it seems to massage a little bit. You can set it for whatever intensity you want. Don't go too high though, you can burn yourself. But the other side of the coin is it diverts your attention from the pain to the feeling that you're getting from the unit, which is nice. I mean, you know, regardless if it's stopping the pain or just taking your mind off the pain, it's doing its thing. That's all that counts. In my book, anyway. Okay, I got to program that. I think we're set here. Let me turn the computer back. Well, I can't do it yet. I have to make this lock. Otherwise, I'll get over my fingers and I'll be eating it. And I haven't eaten it yet, so I don't know. I haven't read it either, so I don't know. Never thought about it, actually. Well, I do want to try something else. Only this here. This I'm going to put over here for now. Okay. All right, guys. So that's cleaned off. That's cleaned off. The meter and all the radios are cleaned off. The bench has not been cleaned off yet. And now, here I'm sitting here thinking about what I'm going to do. I should blow it off. Hello? What's that mean? That means I'm going to end up blowing dust all over everything I just cleaned. picking up little screws. And I don't know what they're for, but they have Loctite on them. And I don't know where I got them from. Now here's another little light. I got that out here. I wanted the wife to try it when she goes out. That's another thing we got to do. We got to go out there and fix that today. We got to put more bulbs in. Just hang that right there. Okay. Put that on that side. Okay, so this side is not too bad. The other side is a nightmare. Constitution, which is going down the tubes. But what's this I hear about Pelosi's house got broke into and somebody beat the shit out of her husband with a hammer? You know, you would think, now this is just a thought here, with the money that these people have, you would think when she's not home, they would have some type of a security system. Now she has security, but it follows her. It doesn't do anything for him the way I understand it to be. So I really don't know the whole story on that. Yeah, I think anybody that would be in government at a certain level, to where if the government thinks that they need security that follows them around, and when she goes home, they take their home with her, that the family should have some type of security as well. I mean, that's what I would think anyway. However, that's just me. Okay. That's on. So let's turn on some of these radios for a minute. I just want them on.
Kilo 4, Mike, Delta, India. QSL 595. Tuesday, Roger, Roger.
Now that humming that you're hearing over here, that whistle, that'll stop. Yeah, see? It's like, I gotta check it because there's an antenna tuner hooked up to this outside, up under the rafter. It's made for outside. However, I've had it for about 20 years. So I don't know if there's something up there that causes that little, while it's tuning, or not. But it really never did it before. So it's something that just seems to have started to happen recently. All right, let me get the air hose out and just blow this out real quick. This doesn't belong here. This belongs over here. Okay, we're pretty well set up over here. That little radio's clean, these are clean, that's clean. This should be plugged in. Let's see, I don't know if it'll even turn on. I don't know how the battery is. I put a switch on it. Okay. Okay. Off. I should plug this in, but we'll get to it in a minute. I got a few other things I got to do. I got these HTs here. Now this one up here, I told Rob I was going to give it to Rob if he wants it. This one I can't give to Rob though. This is is a government radio. I want to check it here for a minute. Okay, it's not interfering with that. Hey, Doc. Hold on there, guys. Let me check this. Doesn't seem to want to be kicking in. It's turning on, but it's not giving me enough power to hit the repeater. It's showing it, but it's not doing it. All right. So let me plug this back in up here. Let me turn it on the charger. Actually, I should take that one lower. Now is that on? Let's see. Yes, okay. Alright, so that's on. That's doing its thing. This one's on actually a frequency that isn't too busy right now. Let's take it to, where's this one on? 20 meters. Let's go to that, and let's go to 20.